Yeah, of course it's a good experience. We know that there's 2 games left, and we want to win both games and put us in the best possible position for the World Cup qualifiers. And who knows, we can still win the group, so we have to keep believing. And if we win these 2 games, it will put us in a good form going into AFCON as well. So yeah, it's an important 2 games coming up.
What kind of experience have you gained from being part of the Uganda team?
Yeah, I feel like I've gained a lot of experience. You play against some of the best African players from around the world that play for top teams. So as a player, you can always continue developing and learning. So I'll say that's probably the best experience that I've had so far.
What are your personal targets ahead of these 2 games?
My personal targets is obviously to try and play the next 2 games, and for us as a team, we wanna win the next 2 games as well. So nobody likes losing. We all like winning. So that's my goals.
How do you probably see the quality of the Uganda friends depending on the opponents that you play?
Yeah, I think obviously us as a team, we believe in ourselves. Maybe you've seen it this year. We played some big teams, and maybe other people have written us off, but we kept the belief, we kept the faith, and we've got those wins. And hopefully we can win against Botswana and Algeria in this camp as well.